Friends, a very good morning to all of you. Yesterday we have discussed about variables. Now today we will discuss about data types. So what is a data type? A data type specify the type of data that a variable can store. So in short term we can say that a data type provides us two things. One is the type of the data and another one is the memory occupied. Suppose we have an integer variable a, it means this variable is type of integer and it will hold the values like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And as we know that integer occupies 2 byte of memory, so data type provide us the memory, the space occupied by a variable and the value that it will hold. Now in C language we have four type of data types. We can say that basic, we can say that derived, we can say that enumeration, and we can say that void. Now basic data types are the data types. In short form we can also say that primitive, and these we can also say that non-primitive. Now primitive data types are the data types that can hold one value at a time. But derived data type or non-primitive data type are those data types that can hold multiple values at a time. For example, structure, union, array, linked list, etc. etc. Now enumeration is just like a constant, and void is also a data type, but it will used as a keyword in C language. Now basic data types include integer, character, float, double, and multiple or derived data type includes array, pointer, union, structure, and enumeration. In short, we can say that enum and void consist of only void data types. Now you have seen that these four type of data types we have in C language. Now we will describe each one of them one by one. So now basic data types. These basic data types are integer based and floating point based. C language support both signed and unsigned data types. The memory size of basic data type may change according to the operating system. For example, 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. Now here I am providing you the 32-bit operating system architecture size of data types. Now We have character data type. Character takes 1 byte of memory and its range is from 128 to 127. In case of signed and unsigned, both will take 1 byte. Now another we have short that takes 2 byte and its range is from 32768 to 32767. Now we have integer data type. It will also take 2 bytes of memory and its range is from minus 32768 to 32767. Now in case of unsigned, it will always give you a positive value. It will take 2 bytes and its range is from 0 to 65535. Now we have long integer. Long integer will take 4 bytes of memory and its range is from minus to 147 483 648 to 147 483 647. Now again we have float. Float will take 4 byte of memory and double take 8 byte of memory. Long double take 10 byte of memory. Now in case of float we have 6 decimal point and here we get 15 decimal point. So these are our basic data types: character, integer, float, double, long, and one is also that is boolean. Boolean will always give you true and false. For true we can say that 1 and for false we can say that 0. So these are the binary system. Now you have seen basic data types here. Now we have derived data types in which we have array. So it will take multiple values. For example, we can say numbers of marks of various students like 12, 32 and 56. So hope you will understand this one. Thank you very much.